What up, what up, what up? Bankroll Tim bedded up. Still busting on this 96 Impala SS. I got the rear end in there, got it all fabbed up, got it all welded up. Like I said, I don't hide nothing. I don't hide nothing. Those are my welds. Boom. Put a brace across the back. Boom. Weld into the center. I put it behind the housing instead of under it. Just do things different. You got the drain plug underneath there. Got Jello Joe. Oh, she's crazy. Anyways, so with the anti-roll up here, this is why I like to get the rear ends ordered on welded. Like, I don't want the ends welded on. I don't want these coil spring brackets. The ears are the only things I want on there. So when you guys are ordering this stuff. Now look, you got the fill right here. I'm gonna have to cut this fill off because with the car sitting at a nice little squat, the anti-roll comes off the bottom of the cross brace and it hits it. So I don't want the car to be driving down the road and that little bit of travel, bang, 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 hit it. So I'm gonna cut this off. I'm pretty sure there's a fill on the pig, but I'm gonna check that first. And if not, I'm gonna turn around and put the fill like right here. So I'll put this back on right here. But I don't know why they put it on so high, why they put it where the gear's at, so you can look in there and see the gear, I don't know. But that's the only thing I don't like. And when I say to order the things unwelded, I want the rear end completely unwelded. The axle tubes, of course. This welded in, boom, the bare tube all the way out. Don't put the ends on it. And yeah, the ears I want on there. This, as you can see, pinion angle's a little positive right now, which is fine where the height is. When it sits down, it comes down a little bit. But the clocking of the end, I'm gonna have to cut the ends off anyways. Put my narrowing bar in there just to clock the ends down some. But I'm gonna set the backing plate on it, the axle in it, put the brake rotor together, put the caliper on there, and see how much clearance I have to the frame. If it clears the frame, I won't have to clock it. If it doesn't clear the frame, the caliper doesn't clear the frame at the height I want to be at, then I'm gonna clock the end. And I also want to put the wheel on to see exactly where the wheel's gonna sit here. Like I said, this is 3 inches narrower per side than stock. So with the 7-inch lip wheel, I need to see exactly where it's at. If it's sitting in, cool. If it's not in enough, I'm gonna narrow it some more. So yeah, that's what's going on. I've been busting in the shop on that. There's the anti-roll. This one came unpainted, powder coated, whatever, which it don't matter, because after putting it all in there, I had to paint it up. Shop's a mess. No more work done to the 81 yet. And of course, some big ass brakes around there. I think there was some other thing. Oh, I had to get some more paint. So once I set this up, what I'm gonna do right now, what I was just saying, set the wheel up on there, set the axle in and all that. I'm gonna pull the rear end down and paint it after I figure out everything and do the extra work that I gotta do. Paint it all up so that way I'll be able to bolt it all back up. So hopefully here in the next couple days, I will have this thing ready to sit down and start totally adjusting it. But just showing you guys all that fab work. Them double adjustable uppers and lowers, them adjustable boxes, all the welds, boom, the cross brace, and then how the anti-roll comes off the cross brace. Boom. There's pictures of it on my IG. IG is Bedded Up Customs. I put a lot more pictures on there than anything. I don't really get on Facebook too much anymore. A little bit here and there, but main thing is IG and YouTube, Bedded Up Customs. All right, y'all, that's what I got for you today. Maybe I'll get you some more later. It's actually not bad out today. So that's why I opened the door, better lighting. But yeah, also you can see how much I painted. I painted all up in there before doing this fab work. So the rear end was out of my way, scuffed everything up, sat there painting. So when I do have the rear end out of it, I'm gonna go ahead and put some more coats on the outside of the frame rail. A couple little dry spots. But yeah. All right, y'all, Bankroll Tim, bedded up. And I'm out. Appreciate y'all.